In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Google Drive folder using Zapier on a desktop or laptop. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that not only creates a folder in your Drive, but also shares it with the right people, saving you time and clicks. Start by heading to Zapier.com and logging in to your Zapier account. From the top navigation, click Create, then choose Zap. A zap is simply an automation made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process, and one or more actions that follow. For the trigger, search for and select Google Drive. Choose the trigger event that fits your workflow, such as New File or New Folder. Click Continue. If you haven't connected your Google Drive yet, click to connect it and grant permissions so Zapier can access your Drive. Make sure you pick the correct Google account. Click Continue again, then set up the trigger details, like which drive or folder to watch if prompted. Use Test Trigger to pull in a recent example so Zapier can see real data. When the test succeeds, click Continue. Now let's add the first action. Search for Google Drive as the Action app and choose the event Create folder. Click Continue. Select the parent folder where your new folder should live, then enter the folder name. This can be a static name or something dynamic pulled from the trigger, depending on your needs. Click Continue, then Test step. This test creates an actual folder in your Drive, so check that it appears where you expect. Next, add another action step. Again, pick Google Drive as the app and choose Add File Sharing Preference. Click Continue. For the file or folder, select the newly created folder from the previous step. You can map it using the folder ID output. Enter the email address you want to share the folder with and choose the role: Viewer for read-only access, Commenter if you want feedback without edits, or Editor for full edit access. Click Test step to apply the sharing permission. You should see a confirmation that the sharing preference was added successfully. When everything looks good, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, whenever your trigger fires, Zapier will create the folder in the right place and immediately share it with the specified person, hands-free. If you ever need to tweak the setup, you can edit the Zap, rename it for clarity, and republish. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Or